Hello, this is the Patient Care Coordinator team at the Shankle Clinic. In this video, we are going to give you a tutorial on how to add peppermint oil to your intranasal inhaler IgG regimen. The peppermint kit contains 4 items: 1 bottle of peppermint oil from Public Goods Products, 1 pint of food-grade pure ethanol from Lab Alley, 1 5 to 50 microliter micropipette from Rongtai Biochemical, and a bag of pipette tips. You can obtain any of these items through the Shankle Clinic. Please see or contact the front office for details. We recommend that all patients start at 1/10 of a drop of the peppermint oil, which is 5 microliters, and work your way up to 1 drop, which is 50 microliters. The goal is to find the highest dose of peppermint oil that can supplement your IgG antibody treatment without causing any irritation. To begin, fill the reservoir of the inhaler with 2 milliliters of your IgG antibody solution, such as Privigen. You may need to adjust the micropipette in order to make sure that the correct amount is drawn for the desired dosage. Adjust the micropipette by twisting the top knob clockwise or counterclockwise. Since we are starting at 1/10 of a drop, or 5 microliters, the pipette should show the numbers 5.0. Fit the pipette tip onto the tip cone at the end of the micropipette. To properly hold the micropipette, place your thumb on the plunger and your other fingers under the hook. As you press on the plunger, feel that there are 2 stops, a halfway stop and a full-way stop. You are now ready to draw the solution. We will start with the peppermint oil solution. Open the peppermint oil solution. Dip the pipette tip into the solution. You do not need to dip too far, and please do not dip further than the tip. The pipette tip prevents the solution from getting into the micropipette itself and jamming the instrument. Press the plunger down halfway and release the plunger back up to draw the solution. Bring the micropipette out of the bottle. You should see liquid drawn at the bottom of the pipette tip. You have just drawn 1/10 of a drop, or 5 microliters of peppermint oil. Add this to the reservoir by pressing the plunger down full way. Take the micropipette out, but be sure not to release your thumb off the plunger until the tip is fully out of the reservoir. You can eject the pipette tip by pressing the tip ejector button. Face the micropipette tip downwards, as the pipette tip can eject forcefully. It is recommended that separate pipette tips be used for the different solutions. You may wash the pipette tips and allow them to dry to reuse again. Close the cap on the peppermint oil. Complete the same steps to add 1/10 of a drop, or 5 microliters of pure ethanol. Once you are done adding 1/10 of a drop, or 5 microliters of peppermint oil, and 1/10 of a drop, or 5 microliters of pure ethanol, use your inhaler as instructed. If this dosage is well tolerated, you can continue to increase the dosage of peppermint oil and pure ethanol by another 1/10 of a drop, or 5 microliters with each dose of IgG antibody solution, typically 2 milliliters per dose, the next time you use it. As a reminder, you can adjust the micropipette measurement by twisting the knob clockwise or counterclockwise. The maximum range will be 1 drop, or 50 microliters for the peppermint oil, and 1 drop, or 50 microliters for the pure ethanol. We hope that this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, or if you would like to obtain any of the items in the peppermint kit, please feel free to call us at 949-478-8858 or email us at info@shankleclinic.com.